Alright guys, just a quick video on how to remove air filters on Velar 2018. I couldn't find much help on YouTube, so this is a quick video. Hope that helps. Okay, so you have one right here, one right there. I had to remove this piece right here, so just a flat screwdriver there and one here, and you remove it, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, one through here, one through this hole. Where is it? Right here. So I got me this long extension, so I lifted the cover and I slit the filter from here and I put it back in, because it's kind of impossible to remove this box with the headlight and this piece here. So I was able to pull it out. There it is. And I was able to slide it back in. It's a little bit of a challenge to put the cover back in. Make sure the screws are all the way up. They tend to go down and then they stop you from aligning the box back in place. So if it's not going, make sure the screws are not stopping, but it's possible. Once it's in, now I'm gonna just secure it. Put this back in. I did pull this connector right here off. I'm gonna put it back. To put it out, you just pull on that yellow tab out. There you go. It's like a lock. There you go. So to take it off, pull the tab out and then you just pull the plug. So now I'm gonna put this back in and secure the screws. The car has 30,000 miles now, and the air filter is kind of really not that dirty. I'm surprised. I did not remove this one yet. It looks like same process, same piece here, same type of screws, and I don't see this coming off. So when you go on AutoZone, this is the one that I bought. So that one is for the right side. There's a bunch of people on, doing reviews saying it did fit, and a lot saying it did not fit. It was opposite. So now I know why. It's because it has two. So you need the 13, and I'm thinking the other one was 010 or 012. Just search it on AutoZone with your car and it will bring up two filters, and they're both needed for your car. It's not like one is wrong, one is right. The car has actually two filters. Yeah, so hope this helped. I did an oil change too, and it was really easy. Just remove that cover. The filters right here. You fill it up from there. You have to pull. You have to have the car jacked a little bit on something, and you remove the panel. There's a bunch of videos showing how to do it. It's not bad. All right, good luck. Hope this helps.